Devontae, I'm not late. 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 I'm like, shoot, I am like a minute late. Oh my gosh. I have been sitting here for 6 minutes, and then I was like, oh no, do you know what I have to do? I need to sort out my bob levels. And then it was that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Devontae, please forgive me. That's my bad. I was sorting out my bob levels, and then my brain went all over the place, as it normally does. I apologize. That is on me. That is my fault. How you doing, Demonte? How's it going? Are you... I'm so sorry. Hey, old Divi, what's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? I was busy with my bob. I'm so sorry. I apologize. Around there, let me sort out my coordinates. I am sorry. I did not mean to do it. I promise. Okay, but this now looks like we're going back up. Okie dokie. Are we ready? Doodle, what's up? Solly? Hi. How are you, Solly? Some guy, you know, I was actually going to message you last week, and then I thought that you're probably busy. Let me not bother you. Like, whenever you don't show up to the stream, I'm like, where are you? So I thought, let me not go and be annoying. You're probably busy. You have a life. You have elf. You know, you got things to do. Anyways, how you been, some guy? How's everybody doing? Happy Monday, guys. Happy Feb. It's Feb, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do like a Valentine's thing on time. Probably. Okay, let's mark out all of the levels. Like I said, I was getting my Bob Revels. Ooh, and these are relatively equal highs. This is interesting. Okie dokie. Let's go to, this is New York High. Awesome source. Well, all of those have been taken. Here's Asia High. Nice. Nope, that is the wrong thing. My bad. Asia High. Cool. And well, Asia Low has already been taken. The NWAG is also quite nice. Let me just close those. Those do not matter. Let's mark this out. Quick sticks. What that? How's everyone doing? You guys are so funny. My trading in your life. You are a trader now. I am. I really am. You know, I was even like before I went live, I was checking out some more people who were live earlier. Guys, it happened. I nearly fell over. I was like, no ways. I didn't think this would ever happen. I commented on someone's live stream, and one of the viewers was like, is this the Maya? I was like, excuse me? What? Sorry. I was like, yes I am. That was a very weird noise that came out of my face right now, but I just thought it was, yeah, it was, I never ever thought that would happen to me. But anyways, I'm watching index and I'll check back on you. Oh, thanks, Jason. How you doing, Jason? Yeah, I'm all good, thanks. I still have the 2 dogs and I was working my day job as well. So, okay. Shit, how long do you have the 2 dogs for? Oh, thanks, David. How you been? How was last week's trading? So some guy, last week I couldn't trade Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, what happened Wednesday? Wednesday ended up being a no trade day. I think it was too choppy. Thursday, I had a half loss and a win, so that was awesome. And then Friday, unfortunately, I had a loss. It was my bad. I should have waited for more confirmation. In the same breath, it was an A+ setup, so it's fine. You know, it happens. Trade Delicious, what's up? How's it going? How's the editing and going? Is it rough? I can imagine it's rough. It looks like you put a lot of effort into it, so I must say, lots of respect. What's that for? Right? Some guy? Okay, anyways. What happened to my prop account? Because I had that loss, I'm now $600 away from passing. Sad. I thought I would be 1 trade, so two winning trades away. Unless I obviously have losses, then not, but yeah. I'd buy the next low even if it doesn't reach the opening low. If I had a demo account, that's my call. Damn, okay, you think buy the next low. Sorry. No, good actual grief. Okay, wait, let me mark out things. Wait. I got distracted. Let's do this. Okay, let's sort this out. Sorry, like I said, as you can see, I was sorting out. Okay, I can add this. Do not extend. Awesome. Let's put the border back. Whee! And middle line. Okay, so here's the NWAG. Was filled nicely, but we can still have it as a bit of a point of interest. Could come back, especially tomorrow, because Tuesdays are them days where it likes to come back. Okie dokie, let's now go to the 3 a.m. open, because I was late. I apologize. Gonna be in so much trouble for that. I know that for a fact. Well, I was. Demonte was on it. So keen to yell at me. Okay, I also need to check the higher time frames. This looks quite nice for a little bit of a retracement down here, though. This could be... let me check the higher time frames quickly. I'll turn off all the noise. Then I'll respond to you guys. Sorry. So... $600 away, if not very far away. Patience pays. Hold up for them. A++++ unicorn setups. I know, some guy. That's what I was trying to do on Friday. Like I said, it wasn't A+. I probably should have waited for confirmation of the confirmation, if that made sense, but it's fine. Oh, hey. Heyo, hello, what's up? How's it going? Tab? How are you? You're here early. What's up? No, please don't say it's lagging again. Hey, Tyson, what's up? Sells from 618. Oh, sells from 618. Interesting, Tyson. That's a very good point. Very valid. Okay, let's do this. Wondering if you're going to be online tonight. I miss you guys. Nah, when it's a weekend. You know what? I miss you guys too. It's quite sad. The weekends... It's funny. The weekends feel short, but also too long at the same time. Just because I don't got my family. We're gonna Fast and Furious this. You're no longer friends. You're family. Lame. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's do this. I just put the ping on so I can check if Wi-Fi's a freak out. I think it's official. I have to just get an extend or range thingy, my bobby, but it's fine for now. Because Michael talks differently. Weekends, trade talking doesn't stop in this family. I mean, that's valid. Boom, Banana, what's up? How you doing, Boom? Okay, let's check out the higher time frame. So 5 minute. Oh, this looks like a W. This might be the confirmation that it's going to continue upwards. Where's that 618 level? 618's all the way up here. Damn. Okay, so Tyson believes this is going to go all the way up to 618. I mean, there is a fairly decent order block around here. That wouldn't be the worst. Back up, maybe grab Asia low. Oh, Asia low. Asia high. Ooh, Monday. Monday English starting. Amazing. I wasn't like that was real. Thank you. Black Rose? Is that correct? What's up? How are you doing? Children except for... Oh, that's so mean. Boom, you're loved here. I hope you know that. Hey Maya, please could you check your DMs after live? Sebastian, I got you. I will go check it out. I gotcha. Okay, 5 minute, 15 minute. Ooh, my bad. I pressed the wrong button. 15 minute. Tapped into this order block. Is it going to break above? It's going to be a proper rejection. Let's see. I'm watching on ES as well quickly. I think this is going to start going back up. Okay. Although trend is friend until it's not, right? Trend is friend until it's not. It's been bearish. So 15 1 hour. Sorry, I had my first sip of coffee now, so we got to let the brain cells kick in ever so slowly. Couldn't go back up to mitigate this fair value gap, which is at that 456 level. Okay, 456. 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's fairly easy to remember. Anyways, and let's check out the 4 hour, and then I'll respond to you guys now. I did notice it was quite, I don't want to say disappointing. Disappointing, woo. 529. Okay. So we got 4, 5, 6, and 529. I feel like I need to write that down. I should probably write that down. This is a huge freaking imbalance. I mean, check out respected this imbalance quite properly before it broke below during the new weekly opening gap. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Then I'll respond to y'all. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. Let's put all the chaos back on. Let's do this. Chaos. And let's go. I nearly said let's go, bro, and that would have been very lame. So let's do this. Tonight because my TP is probably going to be somewhere near it. Runes fine. Awesome. Just here to learn. Oh, that's amazing, Black Runes. That's awesome. How long have you been trading for? No, thank you. 2, 5, 400 institutional resistance could be a factor on how approaches those higher targets. I'm already saying that for your entry. Thank you, thank you. Good grief. Okay, South Africa. So it's probably like 5, 6 a.m. where you are. I hope you follow your edge and make some wins and scalp up. What is life, bro? What's up? Yeah. It is, well, I'm from South Africa, so it's actually like 10:15 in the morning here. So, you know, I've been chilling. It's been a nice chilled morning. Guys, I promise I am elated. Don't worry, you do you. Oh my goodness. It's at 150 from the lows. I said to tell you to check your higher frames before your setup, and also that he thinks Asia high is going to be hit tonight. Okay, there we go. Well, you can tell him that, Michael, I did check my higher time frames. I did. I didn't check the daily though. I know you love the daily. My bad. I'll go sort that out. But I do agree with regards to Asia high. I think it could be headed back in that direction. Let's wait for some more confirmation. It seems to just be sitting on VWAP. Would like to see it break above it before we get anything, before we start to plus setups. Because this right now would this would be like a B setup, not an A plus setup. So let's not push it yet. Let's wait for confirmations. Target levels. Good grief. 3, 2, 1, 3, 5. Target levels. I'm from Iowa. What's up? Tracking for dividends? How you doing? For a quick scalp on silver futures, I hope you have a great night trading. You are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is your first day like trading? Like at all? Do you know anything about trading? Coffee is a good idea. Yes, it is. Did I catch the logs? I've just hopped on, Austin. How you doing? Laura, hi! Where you been? How have you been? He's down welding our dock doing man things. Damn! From inside there. God, that's hilarious. It did wake me up. Everything's waking me up. Hey, Mac! Good morning! Truck for dividends. You trade daily as well. What do you trade? Trucking? For dividends? Can I call you trucking? Oh, no, never mind. I also hope you have an amazing night trading. Oh, thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Much love to all of you guys. You guys are so cool. Samantha, you are? You're not a member. I can see you're not a member. You liar, pants on fire. OTT, what's up? I'm trying to learn, so if you can help, that would be awesome. Well, what do you know, Black Runes? MNQ ES Silver. Oh, nice. Okay. Which is your favorite? Maybe that's a bit of a weird question, but also MNQ and ES are very similar. Silver is a very big jump. What made you decide to do silver as well? I said I wouldn't chart to win. Yes, you did, Mac. You did indeed. Guess what happened? What happened? What happened, Mac? Oh wait, Wednesday was that no. Was it Wednesday or Thursday? Which was that crazy day? It was Wednesday. Wednesday was that insane day. Where do I sign my soul? Devontae? Where is it? Let me find the membership thingy. There we go. It's the membership, just FYI. I call it the membership because you get access to the memes. No? Control C. Meme. Membership. There we go. I got you, Demonte. 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 I don't know why I keep messing that up. There we go. I got you. Okay, how explain? I need answers. Where's the birthday? Okay. Little money. Sign bottom right screen. Jack over the candlestick. So you can't see it right now, but he said earlier that gold has started slowing right down with the way he trades. At least he said gold is a diva. Well, listen, Nasdaq is a diva, so I get it. Speaking of it being a diva, having a quick look at this. Back into opening range. I don't like how it did not reject off of there. Shush. So that's interesting. Let me have a quick look, see. For 2 weeks prior, well, I traded, but not how you think. Okay, Mac, what happened? Discipline. The first 2 can be learned on. Third comes from practice and self-work. It's a long road, but very rewarding if you walk it right. There we go. So, sorry, for some reason I read that as a... Sorry, my bad. You say my name perfectly? Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I'm now overthinking it ever since Jordy mentioned that I butchered it, and I was like, I felt really bad. It's the same. I know. Is Haro still here? I know it's Jaro, like Kilimanjaro, but he likes how I say it like Haro, so it's now Haro from now on because... Just because. Like I said, waiting for some more confirmation. Potentially this actually would have been the entry. Again, waiting for confirmation now. And again, this would not have been an A+ setup. This would have been... Let's actually zoom in. Let's maybe get a little bit closer. Huh, I mean, that being said, there was... Oh, shoot, there are imbalances here. 1, 2... I don't love that it bounced off a VWAP though, but... Why am I saying 1, 2? Let's check the... Actually, it's stuck a little bit in this bob level as well, where it could potentially range. Don't do that! No! Wi-Fi, bad Wi-Fi. I'm looking at charts right now, but connecting with people I learn faster. Okay, Black Runes, do you have a strategy that you like? Let's maybe start with that. Yes, I mean, I'm just sitting outside watching them open, but I don't want to chat with you guys. I'm gonna buy a duck and call him Jeffrey Duckstein. That's... okay. Awesome. You'll squash... What? Why do you want to squash the gut? That's mean. That's really mean. Anyways, whatever. Moving on. Shoot, I guess this low-key was an A+. Yeah, not so much on the 5-minute. The full range would be better. Yeah, on the 5-minute, the full range would be better, but I would have had 1, 2... Okay, I can call this, but it's like we said now, I'm looking for like the A+++++ setups, and it jumping off VWAP like that is not ideal. I'm trying so hard not to put extra pressure on myself. I'm trying so hard not to put extra pressure on myself, but we've got this. Anyways, I wanted to say one more time, yes, what's up everybody? Happy Monday.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How was everyone's weekend? While I'm waiting for some confirmation, It does look like it wants to slowly start going up there. But while I'm waiting for some confirmation, how's everybody doing? How was everyone's weekend? I was too curious to know the cause of the huge move, so I looked into it, Microsoft earnings, and so I thought. Then we saw a bounce. I have to look into that too. Apple. Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. What do you mean it doesn't end there? Hey, Shesh, what's up? Hi, if I send you money, would you buy another prop account? What, you want me to buy another prop account? Why is that, Demonte? Well, if you squash Jeffrey, he'll be 2D like Maya's couch. Oh, no ways! Sugar honey iced tea, but I guess hindsight is very easy. Man, I should have taken note of these volume imbalances. Sugar honey iced tea. That being said, the better trade still would have been the full range. We have not had a pullback into it yet, so meh. Let's now wait for confirmation that we are indeed continuing to the buy side. Where's that? I said it was 456 here. No? Yes, it was 456. So 456 is further up. Ooh, the 456 level. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it rejects off of these shelves. My shelves. I love my shelves. No one else really likes my shelves, but I like my shelves. Figure out 8 MI, but nuts. No, still trying to figure out one. Okay, well, I mean, Black Runes, I have quite a easy strategy. I mean, it works for me, but it's taken a while to find the correct, I guess, let's not say correct, the ideal circumstances to place the trade. So as long as you have your rules and you know the correct circumstances to take the trade, it's quite a good one. Like this, I need a little bit more movement. Why is it that it was actually moving quite nicely? What the heck, Solly? I'm assuming you didn't trade Asia, right? Because Asia looked like it moved really, really well. So I'm assuming Solly did not trade the Asia session because Asia looked actually pretty damn good. Seriously? And now it looks like it's gonna be low-key consolidating again. It's about to hit into the VWAP on ES as well, so let's just watch. Can I call him Jeff? Hey, is this the best? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How goes it? Yep, you see the blueprint now. I do, 100% Solly. I see. It's not quite fair, but it is what it is. We just gonna continue. If you don't think on not real, just background filler, good grief. You don't get the joke. Damn, David over here being sassy today. Since Apple's earnings happen after market close, there's a small balancing reaction. I learned that the real reaction would be a market open the next day, Friday. The main cue would then be what's the general bias for this trading session or day? I mean, day, I was gonna say trend is friend and I was gonna say bearish, but now it looks like we've potentially had a bit of a reversal in London, which is quite weird. Normally London is either accumulation or continuation, but maybe not. Maybe we're having a tiny bit of a reversal during London and then New York is gonna be the reversal. Why are you screaming? Oh my gosh! Yep. Open and set up to look one at a time. What about the 9:30 open and set up to look for one at that time? So Black Runs, you're talking about the New York session, right? So the New York session, there's a few things that you can do. I've been kind of testing that 9:30 AM range, the 5-minute orb strategy, and the first presented fair value gap. I say forward testing, but it's more that I'm just seeing if I can incorporate them with, well, incorporate them to be confluences with my GAN box and my trading style. So volatile at the moment. I'm going in with Maya size contracts. Ayo, love it. David woke up and chose ass. Ass queen. He really did. He woke up and he was like, how can I be like the Nasdaq futures today? Let's be a diva. Today we're gonna be a diva. 3 times in the first 25 minutes of the stream. Yeah, honestly. Hey, Ocean Beats, what's up? How's it going? Thanks. You guys are so mean to me. Hello from Australia. Hey, thank you, Jax. What's up? We got another Australian in the house. I'm not Australian, sorry. Just like Solly, David, Mudcrab. There's a few Australians here. I love it. I really have to go and visit. That's the best. Yes, this is the Nasdaq, but the MNQ to be specific. So the micro Nasdaq futures. So it's not counted out. I did see NQ and ES react to NQ 25400. Yeah, let's see. It is reacting off a bit, but again, is it gonna... yeah. Let's see if the reaction is to break through all the way back up to 618 level, or are we gonna then just continue? Are we gonna go back up? Wait a second. I see it. I saw it that time. You thought you were so smart. 1, 2. I mean, no, it's rangy. Would have been dumb to take it. Technically, it does have 3 confluences, but still rangy. Still not worth it. Oh my gosh, why are we screaming so much? Apple's positive earning report be enough to balance out Microsoft's bad report? I marked out my key technical levels. If Apple open on the red, then it fails, holding the balls on NQ. Okay, that's interesting. Wow. My thoughts on where the chart is heading. Good, quick. Okay, so Monte says it's going up. Where do we all think it's going? Currently in a 15 trade loss streak, and I'm beginning to understand that this is normal in trading. Oh, 100%, Sebastian. 100%. Losing streaks are worth it. What are you doing to try and help yourself through it? I think that's the important level. Ooh, trading's on the brain. That's the important question, an important key. What are you doing to try and get through the losing streak? Are you taking a step back? Are you halving your risk? Are you going back and doing some more testing? Are you reevaluating? You know, what are you doing to try and help yourself out of the losing streak? But yes, definitely normal. Definitely normal. If only winning streaks were as common as losing streaks, that would be awesome. Can you mark Asia high for me, please? So I know where Michael's apparently trying to hit his TP. Oh, it's all the way up here, just by the way. Here's Asia high. At that 646 level. Yeah. It's up there. So wait. Is Michael in a current position right now? Also, can you hear this or not? Because you could play that order-filled noise again while he's outside. Or just shout, I heard the order-filled noise, and he will come running. Just saying. Moving on. That was my trading idea, and I thought it really made sense. So I was there at market open, watched Apple and NQ, and well, that's how I capitalized on the whole red move on NQ. 1 L and 1 win. 6R win. Damn, that's amazing, Mac. What the heck? That deserves a whoop whoop right there. That indeed. What am I doing? That's not how you type. That's not English. There we go. So this is for Mac. Whoop whoop. A 6R trade. That is awesome. Sure. Well done. Cut my wrist down by 50%. Sebastian, that's a good idea. And has it helped you a little bit mentally? Or are the emotions still kind of running around? I'm waiting for more confluences. I posted some things on X about the effects of the delay. That's going up like an hour after a full bottle. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll look at the strategy and get back to you if it's okay. Of course, Black Roans. No, you do you. Like I said, we all have our own strategy. I will never ever say that you should all try this one strategy. It makes no sense. It's not gonna work. Different strategies work for different people. It's depending on what people like. Do you like having levels? Do you like having, you know, different strokes for different folks and all that, right? Not everyone's going to like the same thing. Not everyone, or not every strategy is going to make sense to everyone. Believe me, I've sat there watching strategies going, I have absolutely no idea how or where or what. And then I've seen other people, I'm like, oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. That's so easy. You know, if everyone was the same, life would be very, very boring. So you find what works for you. If it makes sense to you and you've back tested it and you know when to execute it and it's successful, have at it, right? No idea what all that means, some guy, but I think you're on the same path as hubby. Hey David Harlan. How much funded accounts do you have and what's the longest, I missed that, period you kept them? Oh, so, David's. I actually don't have a funded account yet, sad, but I'm so close. Which is putting a little bit of pressure on me, which is probably a problem, but it's okay. But I haven't even been trading for a year yet. I know some people will argue and be like, oh, but you should have passed by now or whatever. I've been trying to almost treat my eval like a funded account. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, but yeah, it's kind of how I've been treating it. I know it's not real money, but I've kind of been pretending like it has been, using the same emotions and risk management and I know it's not how some people do it, but it's how I've done it, so that hopefully when I become funded, I have to change nothing and I don't let the emotions get in the way and I can just continue and stay profitable. Down first, my he's welding outside. He just told me things to ask you when I jump. I love it. And that's how it went. I saw an opportunity and had to capitalize on it. It was just too good of an opportunity. I really wish winning streaks were as normal as the losers, 100%. I'm detached on the outcome currently. I'm focusing on my process, not the outcome. I love that. Okay, Sebastian, that's a really good way of doing it. It sounds so bad to say, I've just become detached. But unfortunately, that's kind of what you gotta do. Why are we kind of just going sideways right now? I would say let me zoom in to make this look better, but I don't think that's actually gonna help at all. Part of me is like, this is gonna work out. Look at it go! Oh, no ways! Oh my gosh! Why does this look like, oh my gosh, it would have been a winning trade? I mean, theoretically, this is an A+ setup. Why are we yelling? Anyways, theoretically, this is indeed an A+ setup, but just, also kind of risky to take this because we are sitting on VWAP, which means it could bounce below. It is also on VWAP on ES. It's just gone up. It has to go a little bit higher for it to tap into that order block. Let's see what this does. Again, theoretically, this had 1, 2, 3. But, yeah, but, just. Either have it or you don't. Run that. No! Somehow busy Asia and oopsies, I missed this somehow when I saw it. I said for Asia high with runners apparently. Damn! Welding a welder to a weld. Some guy, you're giving my brain a heart attack. I believe Hubby is in a trade right now. He's believing that Asia High is the... Took the trade on and then went and finished welding. He should be done soon. That is hilarious. He's running out of daylight, so I'm sure he'll be inside. There you go. Oh, thank you, David. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's been a journey. I'm not gonna lie. Like, an amazing journey. Amazing. Stressful, but amazing. Like I said, I'm trying so hard to not let the emotions take over now that I'm close to passing this eval. I'm really trying hard to just stay so neutral, But again, it is not easy. It is not easy. Like, part of me is keen on taking this. Why have we run out of volume now, though? Seriously? Seriously, I think I need to just start trading Asia session. Oh my gosh, English. English is not Englishing anymore. We've lost the ability to English, but it's okay. I trade the same regardless. Consistency is exactly. Consistency. I remember I actually even posted it in the Discord. It's about how trading theoretically, this sounds so bad, but it should be boring. You should be so like stuck on your rules and so consistent that it's almost boring. That's the goal, right? That's the goal. I feel like when trading is boring, quote unquote boring, then you know you're doing something right. At least I got you guys here for those extra boring days where there's no setups. I risk more evals to pass quickly. You're wasting money through trade visa. If I've missed any messages, I do thoroughly apologize. There's quite a few coming through, which is amazing. Thanks for the support, guys. Don't forget to press that little like button. Let's keep growing this amazing community. Again, there is Discord available. It is a free Discord. You guys are more than welcome to join. It is in the description below. Oh yeah, there's some awesome specials going on with Violinox and Top 1 at the moment as well. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya. I did pin it as well. I think that's it. That's my spiel done. Okay. Mud crab. I'm stealing that. No, 100%. Listen. Chris, what's up? How you doing? How are you? How much you need? Full port silver long. Seriously. Is silver going up again? Bump it. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for a year. How much do I need? I need $600 basically. Process, patience, period. Yep, that's exactly. Alright, can you please do me a favor? Can you please mark Asia high so I know where it is? Oh no, it's here. It's all the way up here. Literally, it's up here. It's marked. It's just very far away. I can do you one better. Let's do this. I'm gonna put this up for you, Kara. I'm assuming he entered down here somewhere. There we go. So you can see there. Sorry, this is obviously not accurate, but it gives you an idea about where or how far away it is if I've zoomed in. Let's just bring that across quickly. Okay, now one, two, three. Potentially another one. This is so slowly going up, but it is indeed going up. Have we hit a major point? Did tap into this fair value gap, but it did mitigate through it. So that's something. We do have confirmations that it's going up. It's in the middle of a bob level, so that's pretty decent. Am I too late? I might be too late. Oh my gosh. So I'd have 1, 2, 3. We're going back to VWAP. Nope, back to limit. Maybe it was a mistake, but I had my 3. I had my 3. Okay, let's now change this. If it's a loss, oh no, then it's my fault. So this is 8. Let's put 3. If we head back there. Three, Cancel that. Make this 4 now. And leave 1 runner. Let's see if we get there or not. Again, like I said, maybe I made a mistake. It is what it is. It was an A+. I put the correct amount of contracts. Hands off. Now leave 1 runner to the top of Bob level. Or around Bob level. Okay. Well, I have it. Same song on loop. Yes, it is. Sorry. I apologize. Sorry, I only checked what's happening now. That's such a tight stop loss. Yeah, it feels like small stops are almost guaranteed to get stopped out. Let's see. Like I said, I had my confluences, so we leave it alone. If it reaches 50%, so it just needs to break above that little bit of an order block. If it reaches there, oh, sugar, honey, iced tea. If it does reach there, we're good to go. Hey, Rip, what's up? Sorry, I was really focused. It's kind of a wine night. It's a wine night, nice. I was kind of focused on the chart. Apologies. I was talking through the brain process though, so that's not bad. But yeah, now it's hands off. Now I'm in this. Now I leave it alone. It's quite big volume to the sell side, but let's see if it was a mistake or not. It did break through that, but I'm hoping it goes back up. I got the short path, thank you. How's everybody doing? Oh dear. Oh dear. 3:43. Okay, so we're still good with regards to time. This might come back down to the view again. No. Okay, well, either way, it's hands off. This is very slowly going up, but it is going up, so. You're like, are you hoping for it to head up? Head up. I'm in a buy. So let's see if it was a mistake. Maybe I should have used the full range. But why are we yelling? What's my R to R ratio? 1 to 2R. So I have a set 1 to 2R ratio, and I do leave a runner or slightly higher, but this no, let's see what happens. No. The 25400 level. Oh, yeah, valid. It is kind of stuck at that 25400 level. You're right. That's very interesting. What's happening at that 25400 level, Harold? Let me see. You're doing very bad. Did I check my daily? I did not check my daily. Don't tell your husband. I don't know what we're yelling about. Oh, good grief. Oh dear, this might come take me out. Either way, it's hands off. So, hands off until it reaches around the 50% level, which is basically the body of this bearish candle. Oh. Again, though, that being said, this is quite choppy. So to move it might be silly because of the chop. It could potentially still come down and get me out. Let's see, maybe I'll just move it to the bottom of this wick. That's not a bad idea, actually. Hey, Confidence, what's up? How's everybody doing? How's everybody going? Hey, Bob, I'm sorry I missed your message. How's it going? I apologize that I've missed some messages. It's been... Well, I've been focused on the charts and I've been, trying to respond. So if I missed any messages that you guys want me to respond to, please feel free to send it again. I will do my best. They can't load off big order at any price point like us. Every 100 point or different instruments can be theoretically considered an institutional level. That's... what? That's interesting. I've never heard that before. They can't load off big... I'm gonna copy that. I mean, it makes sense. I've just never... Oh, okay, well, it did it. So I'm gonna just mitigate risk by just there. So it's not quite half, but... Sugar honey iced tea. Gonna mitigate it a tiny bit. Anyways. Thank you, Jack. You're in a very similar long. Nice. What's what? Why are you yelling at me? Oh my gosh! Why is Rip yelling at me? Maybe a stupid question, but how does Michael know, or how does he feel that the chart is going to go that far up? I don't understand how he would know what it's going to do next. That's just a lot of experience, I would have to say. That's a lot of... just a lot of experience. No, it's no. So, Kara, there's no such thing as a silly question here. Literally, no such thing as a silly question. For me... Oh, sugar honey iced tea, I didn't copy that. I wanted to copy this message. As long as you're learning something, there's no such thing as a stupid question. So there we go, Control C. I wanted to copy paste this, keep it in my notes for me to go and backtest a little bit more. Hey Hogs, what's up? How are we doing? But it's basically a lot of reading the chart, having points of interest. You are trying to predict what the markets are doing. Are you going to be accurate all the time? No. You're not going to be accurate all the time, but it's part of learning, right? But also, how do you know when you're in a good position to set a trade? Oh, so for me, for me, it's when it's an A+ setup. So I need at least 3 confluences as like a protection for my stop loss. And then I know it's an A+ setup. So trend is friend. Right now it is ever so slightly trending upwards on the 1 minute. I know I'm on the 1 minute, but we are still going up. So trend is friend. If I have my 3 confluences, so that's why I say an A+ setup for me is 3 confluences. I need at least 3 confluences that are almost protecting my stop loss. Does it always work? No. But for me, that's what I look for as an A+ setup. 21 and 50 EMA. I've heard the EMA is quite good. I've done a little bit of backtesting on the EMA, but not enough for me to say I'm very knowledgeable at it. I mean, you can pop me a message on Discord. I'm always keen. Actually, do you learn anything trade worthy? Honey will just... That doesn't know because apparently I'm just the spender. Well, tell him then that you can then go and earn your own money to spend it on whatever you want. Maybe he'll thank us. Just saying. You asked a 24-hour stream from 2.8k a sub ago. I'm having to mentally try and prepare myself for that. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, another 24-hour stream. Ooh, do I have the mental capability to do that? I am sure I do. So what is a confluence? Oh, good grief. So, okay. Let's start with like a fair value gap. Do you know what a fair value gap is? Have you kind of clocked on what a fair value gap is, Kara? I'm scared to even look at it in case I accidentally touch it. No, that's valid. I think you're gonna have to just, on your phone, you can get the Trading View app. Literally, if you want to get the Trading View app, you can literally get it on your phone. And then it's clean and you won't have to worry about that. Oh, this is a terrible spot for me to be in right now. I like to keep it simple. I mean, I agree with you. Simple is best. I definitely agree with you on that one. I like to keep it simple as well. I think if it gets too complicated, my brain malfunctions. I mean, not like it doesn't do that all the time anyways, but you know, in general, I feel like my brain malfunctions if I don't keep it simple. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Hey! Brain trading, what's up? I was a 24-hour stream when it was 7. What do you mean? I don't know what a fair value gap is. That's okay. No, Brother Bear, come on. Oh, that was so close. Too many indicators mess me up. Yeah, it becomes overwhelming. Failed fair value gap is inverse fair value gap. I didn't. Oh, it's in my description below. Yeah, the Discord link's in the description. Everyone. Anything experience, but you might as well take things too serious and enjoy them while experience lasts. Okay, so Kara, a fair value gap basically is an imbalance. It's an imbalance in the markets, but it's very easy to see. Like when I was learning, this is just how I knew. Do you see these little lines? Do you see how there's a gap between them? That's it. That's a fair value gap. Where there's a gap between these two lines, whoopsies, that's a fair value gap. I don't know if you can see that. So you can see there's one here as well. There's one, so they are everywhere. There's a lot of fair value gaps. It's an imbalance in the market, and the market always wants to be imbalanced. So it's going to want to come back and always try and correct those imbalances. So obviously there's a lot on the 1 minute. To find more on the higher time frames would be ideal. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Shoot, we're nearly at 4. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay, anyways. Be careful for bounce down. Oh, thank you, Ashwin. I appreciate that. And this is not your trade style, but massive RS at that level. So be careful for bounce down. Really? You right? What? With what? Oh, come on. Just take me out a little bit. No, not there. Take me out at a profit. Take me out and the other direction. Grief. Hey, Mike the Goat. What's up? How are you doing? Expansion to 96 would be a good target. Heck yeah! Okay, so we're in a little bit of a profit. Okay, let's go now to 5. Okay, now we're at break even. Okay, yeah, we're at break even now, guys. So that's cool. That's cool. It's just below there. But we are in a little bit of profit, so that's cool. I have left one runner a little bit higher. Okie dokie. Let's see if it hits or not. But so far, we are in the green. I might dabble in a trade tomorrow. No ways. I call lies. You're not gonna trade. You're welcome. So there we go. You can now tell your husband that you know what a fair value gap is. I think that's pretty cool. You can bring out some cool words. I love it. Michael wants to know where it is right now. We're still hiccups. We are still stuck at that 423 level. Oh, this might come take me out. You could tell him we're stuck in the 400s. Or around that 400 level. Do I trade? Oh, thank you. You guys are so sweet. I appreciate it. Mad love. You guys are amazing. Do I trade every day? Yes. Every day, twice a day, London and New York session. I'm here. Sugar honey iced tea. 5 minutes to go until 4. Okay, let's see what 4 brings. $916 is a caution area. Yeah, but we're stuck in 4. Might go back up to that area then. Okay, so it might be a green, but break even. But green, but break even. Feel like a stud. I love it. Yeah, around that 423 level. I was able to invoice some parts and I didn't have to come back next week. Reset my mental as well. It took me 12 hours on the job site to make 12 minutes on the chart. Okay, but we are, like I said, we're still in this. We're still in this. Let's see, it might come down to get me. I do have a runner to my bob level though. I know not everyone's a believer in the bob level, but I got it. So let's see. Yes, that. Oh, got it. Thank you, Haro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Understood, understood. I'm still on an eval, unfortunately, sorry. I'm here to be very open and honest about the whole situation. I am indeed still on an eval, getting there slowly but surely. This is now a no-risk trade, so it's good. I did indeed. I fed the duck. Rip, I fed the duck. I've definitely learned that you gotta feed them ducks. When I started trading tomorrow, you gotta be honest. YouTube, what's the cheapest prop firm you can get? That's a bit of a tricky one, because cheap doesn't always mean good, right? It's a little bit of that situation that cheap doesn't always mean good. So I also can't speak too much for outside of South Africa, because I'm South African and we're a little bit limited, but you can get a 40% discount, or Violinox is cheap, except for the, oh shoot, what's it called? I keep forgetting the name. It's gonna drive me crazy. Violinox technically is cheap and it has amazing discounts all the time. But I just want to say the sign-up fee, but that's not it. Sign-up fee? That's not it. That can be a bit expensive. Turtlo Nice, how you doing? How long do you have to pass your evaluation? Unlimited. Yeah. So, I don't have to stress about that. Have I heard of Holocrat? No, what's that? Pretty sure for crypto you can get one for under $40 with a discount code. What? Seriously? My TP got missed by 1 point. No ways, NQ Jax. Are you serious? At least I learned that. I've learned a lot, Rip, coming here being sassy. Good grief. Oh, this might come take me out now. Poop. Let's see though. That's it, activation fee. Thank you guys. Come on. Go back with some oomph. We need some oomph. Oh shoot, it's nearly 4. Nah, this is gonna come take me out before. I was hoping this would hit TP before 4 AM, but alas. Here we go. Let's see. 23 seconds to go. 4 is gonna want to come back in here anyways. Oh. Okay, it's gonna take me out, but at least we got some, right? We got a little bit of green. Not as much as obviously we would have wanted, but a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, you little mother fluffer. This goes back up now. I'm gonna be a grumpy goose. Okay, no. Okay, cool. that solidly went down. Cool, 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 cool. So this was a win break even, if you will. Right? I guess you could call it that. I'll put a tick and a break even point for it because I took out partials, but it did then come back down to take me out. Here's the 4 AM, or the 3:39 close is here. Do expect a little bit of a retrace before continuation back up. Again, this London session has been going sideways right now, but at least we got some partials, right? Yeah, we got some partials, so that's not bad. That's not bad. Oh, you like, where am I at with my evaluation? So I'm at 52,491 now. Yeah. Yeah, so I got like $100 from that. You did well. The old me dragged my stop. However, taking profits near your TP when you get funded like that is something you can master. No, I've heard that. It's the you can fill in the blank with this one, but don't be a D for a tick, right? You can finish that sentence. Anyways, that's my TP by 1 point, then stops me out too. That's me done for the day. No, you Jax, I'm so sorry. Small bites, your patience and execution of sticking to your plan was A+. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that, right? That's the plan. NQ Jax, have you ever considered maybe taking partials? Or what's your... Okay, let's maybe rephrase this. What's your setup? What's your strategy? How do you... do you have a set of rules? Yeah, what's the plan? What's the plan, Sam? Whoop whoop, great, thank you guys. Yes, I hope you pass it soon. Oh, thanks, Mud Crab, you're amazing. Well, Kara, thanks, Kara. If you plan on being a creep, you can probably... Please, the level markers on what terms? YouTube full movies? Market auction theory. Yeah, market auction theory, essentially, and I use range. So, ooh, this might come back into this range. Oh dear, Kara. Maybe tell Mudcrab to, your husband to run in here because this is starting to drop down. This is the full range over here. Let's see, this might come back down into the full range and then continuation back up. Or is this going to go bob level to bob level again? Ooh, this might go bob level to bob level. Let's see, you want a strong rejection off there. Nope, that wasn't quite strong enough. Let's see if we get a proper rejection here. There we go. That was a better rejection. It did... Ah, okay, cool. It tapped into VWAP on ES as well. Let's see, it might start pushing it back up now. So there's the full range. I wouldn't quite love it if it went all the way back down there. But let's see. I faded you and it's working out for both of us. What a great Monday. Solly, I don't know if I should say rude or you're welcome or both. That's hilarious. Thank you. Maya, I got funded. Hey, microwave, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoop whoop indeed. For anyone that's had a win, whoop whoop for you too, Solly, even though you're rude. Hey Eddie, how you doing? I need 500 to pass eval on top step, but made 632. Now not sure what will happen. Ashwin, I'm not sure either. It's actually something I was thinking of. What happens in that situation? Do you have to be like on the dot? Must you go over? How does it work with regards to when you pass the eval? Does anyone know? Oh, short bias from institutional, just tape reading though. I think he has his heart set on Asia High to be honest. It kind of sounds like it, but that's okay. These are fib markers on... Yeah, tell him. I don't want to influence your decision making, so I was just quiet while you were long. That's valid, Solly. That's valid. Well, thank you for being quiet, or else the stress levels would have spiked. But I'm glad that I managed to at least hit that TP. Well, not TP. Hit that partial, feed the duck before potentially it going back down. I did see it did tap into this order block, so it makes sense. I can't believe you faded me though. That's very rude, but it's fine. I'll be blinded by the high R I have. In the same month, Jan, I've had 7 back-to-back losses, so tight risk management and mental strength is crucial for how I trade. No, 100%. That... I know that the higher R's, you can have such a low win rate. I am very well aware of that, but geez, isn't it very mentally straining? Straining? Yeah, that's the correct word. Is it not just a lot to just have loss after loss after... Yes, one win and you're good. Right, you are sorted, but is it not just a lot? Sorry, that's essentially what I'm just trying to get at. Thank you, Jax. Hit my bias and key levels. If you knew your previous in-log and in-logs, try to see where draws on liquidity are and where price wants to go and wait for confluences. I've been trading for about 4 months. Hey, my goodness! 4 months, NQ Jax, that's amazing! And how are you finding it? Are you profitable? Eh. Took a partial and it looks like it's about to hit my break. Same as you. Okay, sorry. So it's low-key just... Well, let's see. This kind of looks like it's going sideways still. On the 5 minute, I can imagine this is just... Meow. Give me a vibe of Geordie's abandoned brother that came to take his place. Don't know why. I have to make an extra I made the next day if I'm not mistaken, but there's plus minus more than target allow. Wait. Wait. Wait and see or lose the amount I made. Oh, that's interesting. What is a partial? So, hey, Solly, did it take you out or are you still in this? I think Solly might still be in this. Just drink Coke. Nice. Help with the stress of high frequency trading. Demonte, are you good? YouTube full movies? What are you not understanding? So I just go on the range and then I make sure that I have 3 confluences protecting my stop loss. I'm not taking this trade. Just saying, I'm not taking this trade. But yes, that's essentially what it's based off of. Let the rest run like what Maya did. Yes. Trading in some... How do you find some way to say something negative every time? I don't know, it's fun. Anyways, if I write some type of Mufasa content, good thing it's not your channel. Yeah. Like that from Wall Street, Book of Sugar. Kill, what's up? Basically already in a winning trade and then sell partial so that you're guaranteed green. Yes, that's exactly it. Hey, Cara, you're gonna actually start becoming a trader. I love it. I love it so much. TP337 still in with my runners. Oh, nice. Okay. Cara, do you know where Michael's stop loss is? Miss Gulp, I have 30% win rate respectfully. But you're referring to me, I was not negative about anything, but I'm sorry if you felt that way. Oh, good grief. Okay, drama's starting again. Moving on. It was a lot of beginning. I went on tilt 3 times. I learned my lesson the hard way, that I need to keep my composure and make the right choices, but about strength from the reps. Yeah. That sounds about right. Like I said, I will... mentally, I would be a little bit broken. Broken's a strong word, but a little bit broken. I feel like broken maybe is not the worst word to use. I'm trader worthy. One of us. I love it. I don't pass this Eve. I'm gonna jump into a lagoon with hungry hippos. Eddie, please don't do that. We'll miss you here. You're not allowed to do that. I am dying. I'm glad you guys can't see. Do I look like I'm glowing? If I do, it's just sweat. I know that's disgusting in TMI, but this is a very real, open, honest channel. I'm real and open and honest. It's so humid today. Oh, death. It's okay. The request is on the name. I'm on it. I'll hop on just now, okay? I think it's at 4:02. Well then he's been taken out, if that's the case. The word you're looking for is shambles. Overcoming obstacles, true. Oh, good grief. Oh. Everyone is complaining about... What? Who's complaining about OTT? I will snack anyone. Who's being mean about OTT? If I'm glowing, it's just sweat. Yes, exactly. I'm here to be open and honest. It's bad. I swear, what's got you worried? Nothing's got me worried. I'm chinchilling like a chinchilla, but it's hot as hell. It is so hot. Glowing. Honesty is the best remedy. You guys are so funny. I'm not profitable yet at basically a 50-50 win rate. I'm just trying to get market experience and stick to my... Thank you, Jax. You're doing so much better than I was at 4 months. 4 months, I was just blowing evals. It was a problem. It was literally a problem. So you are genuinely doing so much better than me. 302, he said. Oh, no. Okay, then he's fine. Then he's still good. He's still good. Okay. So for the full range, here would have actually... Oh, it may have missed by a tick. Let's zoom in on this. Oh, would have missed by a tick. Yeah, can you imagine? Okay, bouncing off of VWAP again. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. I'm here to be open and honest and sweaty. Exactly, that's the best way to do it. Right now, bottom of that uphill somewhere. Oh, damn, okay. Wonder how to... Why is there always drama? Why is London so dramatic? Hey, Fabbies. No, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? Are you trading gold? How's gold looking? I was about to say, everyone has different strengths, weaknesses, and ways of seeing things. That's why it works for me. I wouldn't expect it to work on someone else the same way. People are just different, and that's okay. But that's... Anyways, what I was saying was, that is exactly it, right? If we were all the same, life would be so boring. Life would be so boring if we were all exactly the same. I mean, number one, we would all be thinking the exact same way. So we would either always be losing or always be winning on the charts. It makes it fun. If we were all the same, life would be so damn boring. Also, if we were all normal, life would be so damn boring. Embrace the weirdness and sweatiness, apparently. I'm not gonna live this down, but that's fine. He said 4-2 would be not a bad bounce from here, and he's not even looking at the screen. I don't understand how he does this. I don't understand how he remembers his levels so well. But again, I think he just has way more skill than I do. So, you know, when I'm big, maybe I'll be as cool as Michael, but for now, I'm not, so that's fine. If everyone wins, nobody wins. Exactly! Undo someone else's hidden. Oh, I shouldn't have that power. Anyways, freedom of speech. I've learned 3 things today and still have no idea what all this means. I guess it takes many, many years of practice. Practice makes better, not perfect. Hubby says, ooh, so I actually have a really good quote for that, because I personally believe there's no such thing as perfection. You guys can argue with me on that one, but I don't believe that there's such thing as perfection. So it's practice makes progress. I love that quote. Practice makes progress, because you will never be perfect in your eyes because you are always raising the bar. So you'll always be trying to reach perfection, but it's never going to happen. So if you see it as practice makes progress, then you are winning. As long as you are progressing, you are good to go. Like I said, I'm now kind of hands off. Well, this decides what direction it wants to go. Solly, are you out? Is Solly out? In? Maybe? He's just a trader nerd. Girl, you're cooler than Michael already. Oh, thanks. Oh, God. Oh, good grief. Okay, wait. I see there's chaos happening again. Give me a second. Oh, the chaos. So much chaos. Why is there so much chaos going on? Yeah. Done. Hey, oh, Rip, what's up? How are you? Oh, you're here. Are you saying you are perfection? Got it. My bad. If money's on the line, you'll remember your levels by force. I guess, you know what, Mac? That's valid. That is very, very valid. You're like, I know exactly where everything is, and it's fine. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Let me open a window so that I stop melting. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, there we go. Open the window so I'm not, you know, dead and dying anymore. What's happening? Hey, how to work that? Okay, more drama. Moving on. So, this is low-key ranging. I'm gonna quickly check what this looks like on the higher time frames. While the drama happens that side, I'm just gonna continue. Anyways. I'll go find nothing I can do. He has a quote he lives by: practice makes better, not perfect. So that's cool that you think the same. It's actually one of the first things he said to me many, many years ago. And I was like, true. Yeah, there we go. I'm jealous. I didn't even say anything. Oh, good grief. Nice and cool for one. I'm so jealous, guys. It is so hot here in South Africa and humid. I know I'm complaining like a big baby, but still, it's what I do. Ooh, it has created a really nice... Oh, this created a really nice setup for a short on the 5-minute though. Tapped in there. Has indeed created, I mean, check here. Sorry, this is now going to look chaotic. Oh, it didn't pop back up. What? Nope, there it is. Never mind, ignore me. Let's see. So that would have been the entry there. Nah, I think this is still going to continue back up. I think Mudcrab is on point with his analysis. Let's see, back up. We have these relative equal highs. This is quite nummy. 5. Let's check the 15-minute. And then, yes, tell your husband I'll check the daily so he doesn't yell at me. Surprised we're not having a further retest down. There's this 4, 5, 6 level that I was kind of keen on. Sure. I feel like at this point here, this could go either way. What do you guys think? Mentally special people listen. You could have that with misunderstanding. Anyways, so good except for monster. Tree, backyards, wash my house. What? What? Some guy? No. Some guy? Some guy? Some guy? Some guy? I feel like you're actually waiting for winter to make me jump in the pool. I really, really feel like you are actually waiting for winter time to make me jump in the pool. I grab 1 point away. Range is big. I could capitalize off the retracement. She's ignoring me. What? Demonte, what's happening? What's happening? I'm better trader. The daily will tell you the story. There we go. Best behavior, everyone. Mr. Mudcrab inbound. You. Yeah, he will yell at all of us. Full liquidity grab, not sure. Yeah. Obviously, it'll probably retest, head down a little, and then bounce and start heading for the Asia high. Or don't do nothing to you. What's happening? I'm not wasting it on today when you'll enjoy it. I knew it. I knew it. You are gonna actually wait for winter time when it's freezing cold and I'm wearing layers, and you're gonna be like, look at that, it's time to jump in the pool. That's evil, actually, by the way. Small disagreement and David goes, well. Versus views out. Good grief. Drama happening. Do you want that? I will become Mommy Maya. Watch me. Watch me. Mommy Maya will take over. Just kidding. I don't think I know how to be Mommy Maya. I was gonna say something and then I thought, never mind. Moving on. Here we go. Let's have a... here we go. Damn, Mudcrab. Look at this. Shoot. There was that 50% retracement. That would have been on point. Damn. Okay, moving on. That would have been a straight to loss. Sure, this just had to retrace back down, didn't it? Holy guacamole. This is now a solid push. Solly, did you get taken out or did you get full TP? Get the office manager to sort it out. I don't have an office manager. Wait for the retrace and start over. Bearish trend line. Bearish trend line. Don't let Geordie hear you say that. That is hilarious. Remember earlier when I said it looked like 50-minute structured flip bullish and we could expect a pullback to then go up? You did, some goddamn. Using microstructure to draw fibs, typical. Jacob? Where you from, bud? Also, how are you? How's it going? Hope you're having an amazing green day. On YouTube since use the stream and organize. This bottle and smack him. Rip, why are you just being an instigator today? Like you are solidly being an instigator. Just saying. Oh, this is nice. Okie dokie, this is nice. Let me get confirmation on the higher time frames, but I do like this. Here's still mud crabs. He said his level was 302. I'm actually gonna mark it out. Around there. Nice, a good solid 3R trade. It's what mud crab has on right now. Is this gonna retest that far down? Moving on. That looks like a good setup. Mike the guy, I agree. He just had a quick look at the screen. He put his stop loss up and locked in the whoop whoop and now going for a shower. Damn, that's cool. Okay, cheers then, Jacob. Enjoy. Moving on. Damn, I was about to put my foot down and be mean. And I was like, no, let's not do that. Let's not. Leaving it alone. Leaving it alone. Be the bigger person. Maya, be the bigger person. I know I'm short, but I can still be the bigger person. Mr. Know-It-All crabs, I love it. Continuation, apparently. I love it. Okay, let's see. Looking good if it keeps going up. Next stop is Asia High. I don't know if this is gonna retrace so far down. Like I said, this is a very good... Ugh, let's set it up. I don't think it's gonna come this far down though. Come in. Sugar honey iced tea. Yep. I'm gonna take it, but... Oh, theoretically, that one's actually a lot better. Let me check this on the higher time frames. Can you teach them make market theory? Exactly. There's two accounts. Very smart man. Hey, Samuel, how you doing? Yes, that means I can go shopping. Collect some like Pokemon. The fact that you took that trade and didn't take the one with high probability kind of makes me feel things. What are you talking about? This one? How did that one? What? Now you've got me lost, Rip. Now I'm officially confused. Now you've officially confused me. Explain. Check the 5-minute quickly. Checking the higher time frames. Come. Oh, come on, Wi-Fi, don't do this. Don't do this to me. Thank you. No, I prefer this on the 5-minute. No, that was a mistake. No! Okay, yes, we're good. Panic station happening over here. Cool, cool, cool. I really like this on the 5 minute. Let's see what happens. Moving on. After full price went down, what was the probability for that? Oh, that's what you mean. Probability. Oh, I got you. I got you. After it went down, the probability for the highs was really big. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Wasn't an A+ setup though. I'm gonna be the reason that Rip gets grey hairs. I can almost guarantee it. Rip's, or he's gonna rip his hair out. Excuse the pun. I'm pretty sure Rip is gonna rip his hair out. Just having to deal with me, but it's okay. It's okay. Do you watch any live trading streamers? I do, Demonte. I was actually watching a live trader earlier. From 0 to 100, how much do you trust your strategy? 60%? The win rate? 60% seems about right. Bukara, there we go. Wi-Fi, literally going watermelon Asia high in the shower. The Ripper's own hair out. Ah, thank you. So I recently started watching, what's his name? Oh, this is gonna bug me. I don't even know his name. I don't even know his name, but it was on his channel that I made a little comment this morning, and someone was like, "Is this the Maya?" And I was like, "Oh my god, it happened! Can't believe it happened!" But one referred to me as the Maya. I nearly fell over. Pretty cool. Watermelon Asia. I guess that's not gonna be a thing. I honestly wanted to see if you take that trade. I was, okay, to be fair, I was low-key distracted, and, but, hear me out. What about this bounce off a VWAP? It could have very well bounced solidly off a VWAP as well. This did go bob level to bob level, so this is, let's hope it doesn't go all the way back down to bob level, but let's see. Like I said, it's still kind of hands off for now. I don't even say what I heard about the resistance. Is he going back to the 4th with your another way back? So you think it's still going back to the 400? Oh, if that's the case, well, let's see. Let's see. Loki, it's kind of catchy. No, we're all going to be singing that for the rest of the day, 100%. 110%, we're all going to be singing that for the rest of the day. That buyer first live stream here finally got you live. Hey, Donald! Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Welcome to apparently the chaos today. That's me being polite. There's so much chaos today. It's not even funny. But anyways. Did you hear VWAP from me ever? No, I did not. But Demonte, yes, what's your idea? I'm listening. Just watch for internal structure flip on this internal downtrend from the high, and boom, there's your continuation long. That's it. To be fair, I don't even know where Mudcrab's entry was. Kara, where was your husband's entry at, by the way? Austin, I had a win break even. It didn't take me out at full TP. Oopsie daisies. It didn't take me out at full TP. But... okay, let's not do that again. Yeah. Didn't take me out at full TP, but it took partials and took me out at break even. So it was a green trade. Wasn't full TP though, but it was green. So that's cool. How long has it been in this trade? Do you know? Did he get in since opening, right? Since London Open. Oh, if that's the case, London Open is down here, by the way. So since 9, around 9 a.m. Or 3 a.m., sorry. 9 a.m. Since 3 a.m. EST time. So, yeah, like an hour and a half-ish. It's been in this trade hour and a half. Donald, I can't complain. How have you been, Donald? How's life? How's everything treating you? How's the trading going? Like I said, welcome to the chaos. How long have you been trading for? What strategy do you use? What's your preferred asset of choice? Look at the price action inside your trade. Straight chop. Now look at the trade Ripple's talking about clean as a whistle. Oh, I hear you. It retraced and then went up to take the high. I agree. I'm not disagreeing. You are correct. It was actually a really, really good, solid trade with the probability. But hear me out, Rip. Wasn't it that it only retraced 70% between the 4 a.m. close and the 3 a.m. open? Well, I guess the 4 a.m. open and 3 a.m. open? How fast can someone backtest a strategy 100 times? I guess it depends on how much time you have, Hassan. Yes, if you have time, you could do it in one sitting. But you have to make sure that you are taking notes of all the key points, right? Now she'll tell me I'm gonna— What did I do? I didn't do anything! What? Being such a bully! What's happening? Ba-ba-bum. There we go. Done. Ah, didn't come down far enough to come and get me. This would have been clean though. Just saying. This would have been nice and clean. But it's going bye-bye. Retested in there. Going back up. I still don't hate this, but is it gonna come this far down? Don't like that engulfing candle, but anyways. Seriously? Okay, let's risk a little bit less. Buy it, don't be scared. 3 to 4 is the range. Probability is 4 to 5 and starts dropping, gets invalidated. Below 3 to 4 is taken in this example. With journaling, yeah, sure. I've missed a lot. So 12-hour trade. Wow. I'm so sorry. I've missed a bunch of things. Trading about 2 years, focused on NQ mostly. I use ICT concepts along with auction market theory. Hey, Donald P. New samesies. As you can see here, here's the auction market theory coming into play with the ICT confluences and SMC confluences. So Donald, it sounds like me and you have quite similar trading styles. Hey Tyson, didn't miss much. I had a half win, I guess you could say. I took partials and then it came to take me out at break even. I have this trade now set up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if this comes far enough down to take me. I like the range. I like the confluences. It's an A+ setup, so regardless of what happens, win or lose, or miss, I guess. At least I took it. Bye, bye, bye. Okay. Well, tell him I'm trying. It's just not coming back to get me. I have the trade set. It's just leaving the station without me. Oh, well. I feel like I'm in high school again. He's been on trade since straight away open. Okay, cool. So, is this kind of us? Is Michael back? Mudcrab, are you back? Is this kind of what it looks like? Is this kind of what his trade looks like? I mean, that's a solid 6R freaking trade. That's awesome. If that is the correct one. That would be... with the micro. Rip confused the goose out of me. No. I read it and it does make sense. I think. Let me reread that. Where did it go? Let me reread this. Sorry, there's a lot going on today. Okay. Let's go. 3 to 4 is the range. Yes, the probability is from 4 to 5 and starts dropping. Gets invalidated if the low of the 3 to 4 is taken in this example. Okay, so okay, wait. Rip. So in this case, right, because it did not take out the low and it went back up, it was a higher probability of it taking the high, correct? Now that it has taken the high before 5, is it then confirmation that we are still in a bullish, or that it's going to be a bullish market, or does it mean that it could still reverse back down? That's the next question. That's, yeah. What's the probability of that then? Oh no, it could possibly retest lower. No, don't say that. 5 a.m. Okay, I'll keep an eye out for 5 a.m. Still got half an hour. Could retest lower. Well, it's a good setup. I'm leaving it alone. Okay. Hey Tyler, what's up? How you doing? This is a true high time frame trend. How are we doing on this Monday? You know, Tyler, can't complain. How are you doing? Have you taken a trade? How's it looking for you? Has it been chaotic like this freaking session has? Oh my gosh, the drama. For a Monday. People, it's Monday. Everyone needs to chill. Anyways. What? No, we should stop saying all that. That's fair. Favorite Sundays mostly I learn from trading everyone. The least opportune. Need to chat about waiting to short gold. Okay, does gold look like it's going down? For the larger trade setup, you have there. Place your stop loss under the lowest 1 minute candle. Where the white line is drawn now. Really? You think that would be the better stop loss? And then TP where? Asia high. I mean, theoretically, Asia high would be a good place to try get in. He said it could retest and drop, but ultimately it's hitting Asia high. So we need to find a way to get in. I guess that's valid. Oh my gosh. So Tyler, you haven't taken any trades yet today. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. I got in on this. It took a partial and then took me out of break even, so I can't complain about that. I have this setup. It's an A+ setup, so I'm now hands off. Rip's upset with me for not taking this setup. My bad. My bad. I got yelled at for that. Oopsies. Moving on. I should not concern with that at all if you took the high probability. Okay, no, but I am genuinely asking, like, after that, what is the probability of continuation? Confirmation of bullish behavior. Oh, I love it. Such a diva. I am indeed a diva. I'll take it. I'm learning from Nasdaq. I'm gonna just be the best diva I can be. Everyone loves Nasdaq, so apparently that's just the key. Just be a diva and people will be like, ah, look at you. Confirmation of bullish behavior. How what's up? 15 hours. I'm just happy again. 50-50 for continuation. That's not great, Donald. Donald, have you gotten any take profits before 618? Asia high is probable, but you'll take profits before 618. I mean, that's valid, but it means that you still think it's going to continue back up to that 618 level, right, Tyson? Slow down. Hello. Hado, what's up? What's happening? Ethan, what's up? Good trades are coming in the following 6 to 8 days, so be ready. Samuel, why do you say that? What's happening? If I try to explain to you things about continuation probability of doing that, you'll tap out. Try me. This is the diva part coming through. Try me. Let's do this. Yes, I'm aware that that was very diva of me, but still. Try me. But at open... So at open it's 348.25, around there. Or did he take like at open? Sorry, I don't actually know where this began. No. say around 348. That level. Good luck with Hey! That's rude. I'm trying. Now that I have it, I can forget it. I can actually respond to you guys while I have this set up. It's hands off now. Let's see what happens. What, you love the diva version? I'm so for it. Validation happens on structure. Can also happen on time. Okay. Still trying to get her first hour back testing. Squeeze me? Solly, gosh. Apparently I wasn't the only one that woke up and thought, let's be sassy. David? So, anyone else? Anyone else wanting to be extra salty today? Okay. Extra salty is apparently the way we're doing it today. Oh, I don't even bother. Oh! Good grief. Actual good grief. Y'all are so salty. Just like, don't if I do, don't if I don't. Just observing price. I'm trying. Gosh, damn, you all are so mean to me. I don't even wanna, you know, I'm not even gonna talk to you guys for a minute. Anyways, anyone apart from those three have anything to say? Because I'm not talking to them for a minute. See, didn't even get a jump scare out of me. Moving on. Oh no, Wi-Fi. Wow. Wow. Good actual grief. I can't believe the sass going on today. MP3 Wizard, what's up? What's my strategy? It's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Sorry, that was a super quick to the point explanation. I can go into more detail if you would like, but sweet and simply, market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. It's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. Let's say a 60% win rate. Theoretically 63, but we'll say 60% win rate. Yeah. Thank you, Kara. You're amazing. You're amazing. See, girls have got to have each other's backs because you guys are mean. Oh no! Please go into more detail. Sure, MP3 Wizard. I got you. Very special woman, and there's an emphasis on just wow. Okay, so for example, the setup here that I've placed. Okay, so you can see I use a GAN box. Here are the settings or the levels for the GAN box, if you will. You can go back and pause this if you want. So sweet and simply, bottom of the range to top of the range. I know there could be arguments that this is the bottom. For me, I've done back testing. Anyways, sorry, this is specifically for people that are being mean to me today. I've done back testing. If it's already come to take out that 50% of a range, that range is no longer, I don't want to say it's no longer valid, but it's not likely to come back down that far. So then you go the next range up, draw it from bottom of the range to top of the range. Now this is where market auction theorems in. 50%, so the 0.5 level is entry. So you want to see it retest down to get into your premium. Premium for buys, obviously discount for sells. So buys, you want to see it get into premium. Now, I need at least 3 confluences for it to be an A+ setup. So that is the goal, 3 confluences. So with this specific trade, I call it a shelf. There's a much better description for it, but I call it the shelf. I have my shelf, I have a fair value gap, I have a VWAP, I have another fair value gap lower down, as well as an order block.
Why are you even thinking this way?
And this little order block here on the 1 minute. So this is specifically the 1 minute. If we go to the 5 minutes, it's also a really good trade. But, sorry, again, I'm aware that was quite quick, but it gives you an idea. I hope that kind of answered that. I better start saying my goodbyes. Bye to all. I'm still going to be here for another minute or two. Oh, cheers, Kara. Mad love. No, Solly's not nice. Solly calls me auntie. Anyways, so you're waiting for the pullback with the basically MP3 wizard, except it's the GAN, but much of a muchness. Yes, I'm waiting for the pullback and the retest into this level, into the 50% of this range. Is it gonna get there? I don't know, but I got my confluences. It's an A+ setup for me. It might not pull back that far, and it is what it is, right? Mine is actually about, oh, you're full of lies, but full of lies. It's okay. So, Michael, are you here? Mudcrab, are you back? What's up? She's a good egg. Thanks. I try. I mean, I could potentially be a rotten egg. We don't know, but we'll go with good egg for now. Whew. But we are trying. We are trying. Okay, I was just checking something. I could work my charm on you too, auntie. I don't know if you have any charm. No, I'm joking. Whoa! That came from a very deep, dark place. I'm so sorry. That was so sassy. I take that back, Solly. I'm sure you have a lot of charm. And it will probably work because I'm all weird and introverted, so any charm and I kind of go, oh! And I panic. Anyways. Hey, Demonte, you're saying buy. I'm trying to buy it. I just needed to retest further down to get into it, but it might not, and that's fine. I wouldn't be showing my brain. Yeah, I don't think so. Aww. Bristol. Not even speaking. Hey, Hado, what's up? Here's I'll take care, guys. I'll still be watching on the telly, so I'll hear all the bad stuff you'll say after I leave. Solly is mad sweet. Good grief. Okay, just good grief. So, we think this is actually going to retest back down to this 50% level. Yes or no? Could potentially, could also not. Let's wait and see. That was such a nice push up. This solidly went bob level to bob level. Which does make me nervous. If it comes back down, it could go bob level to bob level again. So I am going to keep an eye out for that, because it is a possibility. But I am watching. Like I said, I still like this trade. If it runs away without me, it runs away without me, and there's nothing I can do. You would have an opponent from a trading market is giving opportunities because of loss of momentum to the upside, thus creating short opportunities and some bounce opportunities. Samuel, I'm hoping for the bounce opportunity. I hope it bounces back to hit my buy limit and then continues to the buy side. That's the plan. Okay, auntie, even if it doesn't work on you, I got the receipt. I love it. All right, bye. I love you all. Congrats. Aw, love you, Kara. Mad love. Mad love. Who's Bob? Devontae, you know who Bob is. What the heck, man? Not a hobby, but I might have a little crush. Sorry, I don't think she knows how old you are. Anyways. Hubby enters chat. What's up, Michael? How you doing? How's it going? Well, clearly you're doing something. Did you apologize? It's in response and for all with love. Rip woke up and decided today he's gonna be chatty. He's been like super quiet, and today he's like, I'm gonna be a little chatty Cathy. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. It's different. Again, I'm not complaining. Don't say I'm being mean to you. I'm glad that you are being super chatty. It's nice. Don't come at me. I'm waiting for you guys to come at me. Bob should speak in this chat. He's asleep. Yeah, I think it's like 1 a.m. for him wherever he is right, or in Texas. He's a Texan. I didn't run in your bro. Just like taking money from a baby. Solly, what? My wife. Hey, OTT, what the? Hold on, I can't explain, I promise. I'm actually kind of here for this new drama that's happening, this little triangle. Rip, what did I do? What did I didn't want you to be quiet. I was saying it's nice for you to be chatting. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? Clearly I need to be. Hey, so what's up? I'm waiting for you guys. I'm at me. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do the wrong things today. I'm solidly going to stop talking for 1 minute because I'm even going to time myself. Because, sure. Just.
That's what she said.
That was good. Okay. Because apparently I'm upsetting people today, so I'm just gonna be quiet. Are you ready? For 1 solid minute, then you can't say I'm being mean to you guys. Here we go. Okay, done. There we go. So, Donald, I know you were doing that for funsies, but you have a question for me? See, are you happy? I put myself in a timeout. Are you happy now? Y'all do the Discord yet? Yeah, my game, we do have a Discord. Now, how's everyone trading looking and how's everyone doing? I'm a happy man today. Why is that? So, are you making money or what? Hey, Augustine. Well, I am up today. Like $100 or so. So yeah, I'm in the green for today's good. Sorry, I was on a 1 minute timeout because apparently I upset people, so my bad. We were cheering your trade. Yeah, we literally were. Thank you, Donald. See? I listen to you guys. If you say I'm mean, I will put myself in a timeout, right? Gotta respect you guys. Even though you were mean first, but anyways, was such a peaceful man. And now Mudcrab's on the bandwagon. Seriously? The Screech is back. Look at the bright side, at least you don't have donkeys that are smarter than goats. We're headed for Watermelon Asia High. You weren't the only one on timeout, yeah. Am I using a prop firm? Hey, Justin, yes I am. See, someone who's actually asking me a proper question, not being a bully today. Good grief, being a prop firm, what's up? What did I do? What broker do I use? I'm using Top 1 Futures currently. What's up? How's it going? Yeah, so I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. They do have a 40% discount currently happening at the moment if you want to use my code. It is pinned. It's TeachMaya, all cap. Yeah. So I posted some on Twitter and it's pretty cool. What happened after? What happened after, Huddle? Dude, Mac loving it. Guys, anyways, it's fine. It's fine. I feel like I've been bullied today, but it's okay. You're right. Okay, that's valid. Mudcrab does specifically have permission to be a bully to me. Well, no, not to me, but to be a bully, I guess. So it's fine. Anyways, let's do this thing. I have set it and now we wait. Do we think this is gonna come retest VWAP on ES again though? If it does, that won't be ideal, but let's see, let me actually draw this out on ES. See, this would be better on ES because of where VWAP is placed. Okay, let's see what happens. How does it look from this range? I don't hate either. This would be better using the bigger range on ES though. Ooh. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Like I said, on the 5 minute, this is actually quite a nice trade. I really like it on the 5 minute. Do I really like it? I guess that would be better. Higher probability of anything in there though. Okay. Various activities. Listen here. Oh, thanks, Donald. You're so sweet. I really appreciate that. It retraced to 12-24%. So, but damn, what the heck, man? That's ridiculous. That would be considered a mythical. You know what? This is how I'm feeling today. Y'all are so sassy today. Anyways, Samuel, it's hard to trade in itself, and on top of that, dealing with the live chat is even harder, so I appreciate that. Aw, Samuel, you're amazing. You are so sweet. I really appreciate that. Do you hear that? At least someone appreciates me. I'm kidding. I love all of you guys, even when you're mean to me, which does happen often, but it's okay. Let's check out now at the minute. Can we all see everything still? I just want Miner to swear once on stream. Absolutely not. Why want me to swear? It won't be anything fun. So if you want to hear me swear, you just go watch all those old streams of mine. Damn, I used to swear like a sailor. I'm basically from the bottom towards the Watermelon Asia high peak. Are you in the... So, Mad Crab, did you pull your stop to break even, or where's your stop loss at? I appreciate the music. So what I'm hearing is you guys just want me to stop talking and you can just listen to the music, and you know, one day, you guys are gonna regret saying that. One day I'm going to turn the chat off. I'm not gonna respond to anyone. I'm just gonna sit here dead quiet and you guys can just listen to music. I'll mute my microphone. How about that? Would that make you happy? She dropped an F-bomb ages ago. Oh, Solly, that was such a funny day. Oh, that was so bad. I forgot. To be appreciated, I know it. Wow, I've run this even after Watermelon Asia High. It's now called. Those relative equal highs looking juicy at. Good grief. Yes. Okay. So I'm just shaking my head. So I don't sail anymore? The relative equal highs looking juicy. Oh, I got it, because I'm not a sailor anymore. That took me a minute. I'm so sorry. That was a very blonde moment of me. Actually, that sounds very peaceful. Sorry, my internet dipped me down. It's okay, Tyler, don't worry. Time for me to run. Take care, everyone. Cheers. Oh, bye, Rip. Yes, I know. I'm sorry, Donald. I got it. It took me a moment, but yes. Yeah, no more sailing. Just surfing. Just kidding. I still haven't tried to surf because the blue bottles have been ridiculous. I was probably gonna try surfing this weekend, and I was like, you know what? I don't really feel like getting stung again, so no thanks. I'll wait until the blue bottles have gone far away. I can show you. Well, let's check out the 1 hour first. So 1 hour. Damn. Okay. Do the 4 hour. Whee! Oh damn! It retraced nicely on the 4 hour. Wow. Okay. We still have not broken above all-time highs. What the heck, man? This 4 hour is still stuck in this damn range. That's annoying. Anyways, and let's do daily. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. I was about to say something so inappropriate. I'm glad I shut my mouth very quickly. Okay, here's the daily. We do have quite a bit of sell-side liquidity on sell-side momentum on the daily, looking at the volume. Huh. Interesting. Oh, it's broken above. Sugar honey iced tea. I don't think this is going to retest to my level. Retest. Retest. Oh my gosh, English is just done. English depleted. We're done. We're done. We're done. Okay, back we go. Reset. Okay, let's pop everything back up. Okay. Let's check this out now. Oh, shoot. What? Yes, I moved that. My bad. Maybe. Still don't hate it. Okay. I don't know if it's going to retest this far down though. I think this might just break above and go above level to above level again. Let's see. I still would like to see it retest this 50%. This looks really, really nice. Landed on some drama here. What's up? Who's what? Please show me daily for oopsies, it keeps moving. Tyler, yes you did. Never surfed. I can skateboard. Ooh, skateboarding. I have never actually tried it, to be fair. Have a lot of shark attacks in Australia. I've heard. Like, weren't there like 4 and 24 hours or something silly? Speaking of, I need to do that. I'll organize the shark cage diving for soon. Soon. Shark cage diving. Let's do this. And when I say shark cage diving, there's no cage involved, so it's just shark diving. Anyways. Monia wasn't married. Aww, you are such a sweetie pie. There's a news called it a shark attack. I mean, did it or did it not bite? Okay, happily move forward with her new love, Solly. Damn, shots fired. Shots fired. This is amazing. No. Have to turn up on a 2-man. Good grief. I've got a dash. Cheers. Cheers, real. Enjoy. Gosh, I'm having such a good giggle at you guys today. Yeah, selling is coming on the higher time frame. Is that the 1 hour? Hey, chill, dude. Well, this is actually the 1 minute currently. There's an internal order block above the 50%, so until it fails to hold, it's not coming for the retest. No, Mike, don't be a negative Nancy. Say no, we got this. Been skating for 25 years. I'm old and slow now. Don't do anything daring because I'm not made of rubber magic anymore. Thank heavens I still bounce. I know that's a weird thing to say, but like with the horses, I still bounce. Thank heavens. Or else I probably would have broken my hip and my leg last year. In all honesty, I would have solidly broken my hip and my leg. I had a horse like roll over and fall, well, actually roll on top of me and over me. Like I said, I had a bruise. And when she stood up, she stepped on my leg. And again, luckily, I just had a bruise. I don't know how, but yeah. So thank heavens, I'm still rubbery. That sounds weird. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but anyways. The way Maya leans and when there's some tea going, you're right, actually, I need to just get myself a cup of tea and sit like this and be like, I'm all for this. Guys, don't forget to press that like button. Don't forget to press that like button. Especially for being so mean to me today. I feel like I deserve at least a little bit of a like, honestly. I can surf, skate, BMX, and snowboard. I'm old. You're not old. What the heck, man? Maya said when I arrived, Sally's 25. I just called it on to fun. No. What's wrong with that? No, nothing's wrong with that. Thank heavens. Like I said, thank heavens, or else I would be damn dumb doing what I do. Oh, thanks, Tyler. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this amazing community. Discord is in the description if you guys want to join, and you can use my affiliate code TeachMaya with all of the programs in my description below as well. Violin is having awesome sales at the moment. I used horse ride when I was little and I had a tumble like that. Yeah, no, it's bad. It's bad. But luckily I'm fine. Hey, we have coffee today. Always. How much is the commission fee off of one contract, and how much is one contract of E-mini NQ futures? For top 1 futures, or what you asking about, Mike? You can have her, honestly. She's kind of annoying and can't cook, and she just waits for you to win trading, then heads out shopping. I hope Kara saw that. I feel like we need to screen grab that and send it to her when she hops on tomorrow. I'm gonna tell her. That does sound like the life, though. I would love to just take my wins and go shopping. That being said, I go shopping for my horses. Send a video on Discord. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna have to go check it out. That Monday Green Day got you feeling generous. Caring is caring. Waited for 5 for this reason. Here comes your retest. Well, Donald, let's hope it's not a loss. Let's hope it's a good solid retest and that we're still good. She isn't yelling, so I think she might be. Oh gosh, I love it. I love it so much. You guys are too funny. Okay, but let's do this. Here's hopefully this retest. It's still hands off. It's hands off. I have my A+ set up. I theoretically could do a bigger range for this. No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. If it's going to mitigate all of those, I doubt it will listen there, so it's fine. You see I'm having a little bit of an internal struggle. I could use this range, but it's fine. Leave it alone. I liked how this looked. Hands off. Liquidity sweep incoming, maybe. Nah. Hey, chill, dude. What's up? Here comes. How do what's up now? Apparently, she's not gonna leave while I'm up. Sorry, babe. Well, we doing this? Oh, I forgot that Kara can read what's happening. My bad. Leaving it, leaving it, leaving it, leaving it, leaving it. Cool. Okay. It's still hands off. We still have time. We still have a decent amount of time. I know it's lunchtime, right? I am aware that it's lunchtime, but like I said, sometimes lunchtime actually works quite well. Not really like this market has been moving beautifully apart from this push up, obviously. But I wouldn't quite call this beautiful. Do the other thing you just said because passive. Don't touch it. There. Like I said, I'm being yelled at today. Damn! You're coming here yelling at me. Donald, you're new and yelling at me. No, I'm joking. I'm all for it. You're cool. You can stay. Maybe wait till next week, although she's... So maybe a few wines that she might give it up. Patience. Oh, you're right. Tyler is shorting Nasdaq. Am I going to be your liquidity? Is that what I'm hearing? 2430s is a good reference level at this point for what you decide. Well, there we go. See? See? Not a bad one. Donald, drink your tea. It's not tea, it's coffee. I'm here for the tea, for the drama, but I'm drinking coffee. Do it, macro. Leave it alone. Yep, nope. Leaving it alone. Why are you being a bad influence today, David? Damn. Good grief. No, I'm leaving it. It's hands off. Leave it alone. Big stretch, but leave it alone. Okay. It's going for... But what? IG, sorry? I left. What? What are you saying it's going for? Go on, do it, do it, do it. Some guy? Bruh.
Why are you doing this? Why are
What's
you
up?
even thinking this way?
Okay. Sorry, this is not because I'm nervous. It's literally because I'm dying. Do you know what I did? I had to literally freeze my horse's blanket overnight to give it to him today. If this goes bob level to bob level, I'm gonna feel a bit like a chop, but it's fine. Let's see if this goes bob to bob. This might go bob to bob. So that was quite a decent rejection off of them. Watch for a break. Talking about the tray. Yeah, see? David's being very PG today. I know it's weird, but yeah. Sure, no probs, Muddy. What am I doing? Why did I also call you Muddy? But anyways. Like I said, I like how it looks on the 5 minutes still as well. It's still good. So got that, that. Really wanted to go higher. All the way. Yep. It's just not quite moving how I would like it to move, but I guess it is what it is. Oh, come on. It might not come get me. Nice cover. Oh, thank you. Good reference level here. Anything internal bullish.com. So until that one breaks, we're not coming for the retail. Mike, why are you negative? Please. It's not me. It's you. What time is it where I'm at? It is 12:15. On that note, sorry, be right back. The monkeys are here. Give me 2 seconds. Let me close the doors and windows. They came into the house this weekend. It was very annoying. Can I just say, right? Can I point out something? It is so hot and humid today. I showered at 8 o'clock this morning. It is 12:15. My hair is still wet. Anyways, moving on. The monkeys kept, yes. Oh, thanks, Mud Crab. I appreciate. Moving on. Oh, but the momentum seem want to push up to the 490, just like the real couch. Yeah. Good grief. They'll destroy everything. Franks, no, they literally come in and try and steal your food, and yeah, mess up the place. So thank heavens I heard them and I chased them out, but they are terrifying. As you guys saw, they like run up to you. Don't yell. There we go. We also had a double bottom. It's 29 degrees over here. Damn, Donald. Donald P, where you at? Where you from, Donald? My hair's still weird too, but maybe it's Maybelline. Oh. It is kind of stuck in this range. I would love it if it comes down to tag me in and then go back up. I would love it. This is such a nice entry point as well. In the middle of this Fair Value gap. Oh, it would be so nice, please. Please, 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 please. Pretty, pretty. There we go. I just make it like a tick above. Makes it a little bit better. Okay. Oh. No, I don't need all the food. Oh, it was the monkey. Listen here, I get yelled at for not eating. Now you're gonna be mean about that. Rip left, and then some guy with, you know, it's my opportunity to now come and be sassy as well. You're from Louisiana. That's so cool. That'll be close, I think. Well, let's see. Well, that was an Aussie, but Maya got it. All the... Wow, this Fair Value Gap is kind of looking like it might bounce pretty close to your entry level. It... Let's see. Let's see what it decides to do, right? Like I said, I really like this trade, so even if it comes and tags me out, I won't be upset because I really, really like this trade. It's just if it tags me in is the next point, right? Is it gonna come and get me or not really? There we go. Solid 2R trade right there. Let's see if it comes to get me. 2 order blocks in Fair Value Gap, but above its midpoints too, but I accept it. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's my belief. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is some guy. I think that's nearly the joke of the week. That is amazing. I feel like we need to have jokes of the week. That being said, we haven't seen Skeletor in a while. Skeletora. I miss his jokes. His jokes are amazing. Gonna have to now message him on Discord and be like, where are your daily jokes? We need the daily dad jokes. So here, we went to see a crypto heavyweight fight around. No, you start the fight, otherwise for crypto will disappear. There's a new Miley Cyrus Maybelline. Really? But again, I don't, you know, I don't really follow things going on. Like now an order block got mitigated. Okay. She's really? Why? What does she sound like? Nasdaq gonna melt any minute. Tyler, where's your TP at? Because now you're making me... No, it's an A+ setup. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Am I gonna be your liquidity? This is kind of what it feels like. Am I gonna be your liquidity? I tried to catch the rain one. Rain one. Rain once. Missed. Okay. Okay. Maybe I've had too much coffee. Maybe that's it. Maybe that is it. That's what's happening. Maybe I just need to give up for the day because apparently speech is no longer speeching. Words hard. Just not okay. Just not okay, but whatever. We proceed. So it's fine. 4, 6. 1, 4. What? What? Okay, Tyler, damn. Freaking overachiever over here. 1, 4, 6. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Not enough coffee. You're still sitting down. You know what? When you're right, you're right. When you're right, you're right. Maybe I need to go and refill my jug. Seeing as you guys keep calling it a jug. Maybe I need to go refill my jug. Get more coffee going. They just formed a cell zone, so it's coming down. Why can't you see the lights out? Because you're seeing the... Cara's laughing, but she's getting drunk, so hard to tell. Tell her I'm jealous. That sounds like such a good time to sit there drinking some wine and chilling. Super jelly. I would love to be able to do that right now. Good grief. Except me and adult grape juice is not okay. Just bring the pot to your dish. Should I just start drinking out of the pot? Is that the plan? Just screw it. Who needs a mug? Just start drinking out the pot. It is a joke. It's a mug! This is a mug? This is a mug. Oh my gosh, I still have a sip of coffee. I didn't even see that there was still a sip. Okay. Anyways, moving on. I'm trading normal Nasdaq. Okay, or bearish. But with her tonight, just bring up. All the cool kids are doing it! So gosh, she's happy because she does. Gosh, I wish I had money to just go. Well, I say shopping. I don't, yeah. Again, I don't really go shopping, so. Anyways. Hey Chris, what's up? An Alien vs Predator 3 movie, but Trump hasn't released seen this, so I can't get the names from Predators. Chris. Chris? Chris. Oh my gosh, wow. That was insane. Oh, cheers, some guy. Have an amazing day. Yeah, go and be an adult. How lame. Adulting's a pain in the butt. Gold full target book. Hey, Santosh. So is gold going back up again? Yeah, no, that was amazing. Thanks so much to talk about trading until I have a huge day like today. Then, wines, not wines. Mudcrab, I have a lot of respect for that. A lot of respect for that, just saying. Glad I was here for it. Oh, are you on a different account right now? David? Seriously? Cool. Glad that works. That works too. Probably if you're on a different account. What's up? How's it going? Took me a bit. I was like, what the heck is going on? Oh, come on. Like, it's set and I'm forgetting about it and I'm leaving it alone and it's such a nice trade. It's just not coming to get me in. But I guess the point is, it has been set. And I'm not messing around with that chaos of a consolidation over there, so that's good. Seriously, why is sitting so slow? I know a lot of people don't like Mondays because it tends to be a bit more slow, but why is today, like, extra slow? Yeah. Is there a reason? Is it because, wait, is the government shut down? Is the US government shut down? Is it actually on lockdown now? I feel like it has. What's happening? Oh. Oh, okay. And then sit and forget. It's just playing with your emotions a little bit. It's being mean. Also, Donald, funny that you think I have emotions, just saying. I'm joking. I do have emotions. What's the problem? There is a reason, yes. Okay, what's the reason? I support your ambition in this movie. Oh. It would take me 23 sentences to explain. Oh, okay. But is it to do with government? Is it to do with politics? Let's just leave it at that. That's a yes or no answer. Report for investors and hedge funds release on Tuesdays. We get that release on every Friday at the end of the week following the previous data. See, Don, I'm glad. See, like I said, you can stay. You appreciate my humor. The dark humor. Oopsie daisies, I pressed the wrong button. But point is, we have indeed got this. Ah, that makes sense. Yes, politics, it's always politics. And politics just suck. That's just me being a negative Nancy, but politics do just suck, let's just be real. Whew. Anywho, what did everyone get up to this weekend? Seeming as we have our trade set up and now we are waiting. Oh, so patiently. As some guy would say, patiently. Right, get it? Pay. Patience pays. Anyways, what did everyone do this weekend? Seeming as we are now sitting and waiting. That's kind of why I want to because of your humor. I got it, I got it. You're so full of lies though. You guys will never leave each other. You guys are too cute. And so, no. That was... What a sentence to sit and read right there. Caught up on sleep, to be honest. I mean, that's valid. To be fair, so did I, which was so weird. And then I felt uncomfortable because I actually caught up on sleep. And then I did not sleep last night, so winning. Government shut down. And then ended up backed up for October. It was just released Friday last week, and Tuesday night the mark. Yes, I thought I'd catch up Friday. The meltdown. Practice skydiving from a roof. That's what I did this way. Donald, I have questions. Did you actually like fall off of the roof? The roof? The roof? Did you? What? Mudcrab, that's David, by the way. That's David. That's David. Walking the former Australian Prime Minister underage daughter out of her tub. What the heck? Are you serious? Retesting the bearish. Yeah. Let's see if this now works. He did. Coming down a while bearish volume block form. No, my parachute just doesn't open on time. I have so many questions, Donald. I have so many questions. So many questions. Why? But also, is your roof high enough for you to be doing that? Like, I feel like you can't skydive off of a roof. Can you? That doesn't sound right. Yes. Yeah, it works 6 AM to 4. Damn, Mudcrab was about to throw hands. Ooh, there was about to be some drama in the chat. Anyways, moving on. Work 6 AM to 4 PM most days and trade London, which opens 7 PM for me. It's a vicious site. Oh, good grief. Damn, okay, no, that's a bit rough. That's really rough. That's the thesis I posted next. You got him? It was pretty funny. California was wilding the weekend because of ICE protest. Oh. That makes sense. And you down. Wow, Mary Poppins did it with an umbrella. I mean, were you trying it with an umbrella? I mean, I tried that when I was a kid. It did not work. Yeah, we are literally sitting and waiting. This Monday, there's no madness happening. This is not Monday madness. This is Monday... I don't know. Monday chop day. Chop chop. Good grief. Just good grief. Come on. I want to get this entry. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. We've got this. Still giving it time. Hey Ricardo, what's up? How you doing? How you doing, Ricardo? I hope you're doing amazing. Ignore the chat. We're just having some laughs while we're waiting for the price action to start price actioning again. Like I said, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Weirdo chart wiggle node. Retesting the bearish volume block. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Let's hope. I still have my setup. I still like my setup. This is literally going sideways. We can see that from VWAP. Literally going sideways. Can we have some price action? Da, 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 da. Do you know what is properly stuck in my head now? Thanks, Mudcrab. Watermelon Asia. Hi. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Stuck in my head. Da, da. Amazing working up now in Chicago. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, how is it, Ricardo? Maybe not sideways for long. Let's see. Solly, is that what you are? Solly, are you just describing yourself? No wonder Kara was like, this one seems cool. I can go, she generally looks after me. Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, you guys are adorable. Good grief. Being lovey-dovey on a freaking trading channel. Of all the things I expected to get on a trading channel, lovey-doveyness was not one of it, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm all for it. I'm all for the love. Because guess what, guys? It is indeed, assuming I don't need my glasses right now. It is Valentine's month. It is Valentine's month. Indeed. Wow, I'm blind. Oh my goodness, I am blind. But I don't have to see anything right now, so it's okay. Can I even read what you guys are saying? Can you see I have to squint to read this? Oh, good grief. Oh, shucks. I'm up 700 paper trade. Ooh, damn, Mike, what the heck, man? That's amazing. Donald, I trade both London and New York sessions, so I will indeed be back for the New York session. So I am giving it a little bit more time. I won't leave the trade open though. Should I? No, I won't leave it open because I'm not sure. I don't know. It's why I don't think I'll be able to swing trade. I prefer to be here to be able to open and close my positions. I don't leave things. I don't know. It gives me like anxiety, just the thought of leaving a trade. Not so much. So far in this trade. Mama Maya, here we go again. I've been listening. Oh, man, it took me out. No! You are a very amazing bloke. Do I trade Forex? Hey, children. No, I don't trade Forex. Sorry. Just the Nasdaq futures for now. I don't know if I'll trade Forex. I don't quite know enough about it. I know a lot of people love Forex, though. Don't get me wrong. Does this kind of look like I hope it doesn't. Does this look like I'm copying Tanya? That's not the plan, because I know she has like those yellow... I don't know if they're glasses or something, but she wears yellow glasses. I hope this doesn't look like I'm trying to copy Tanya. It's literally just because it's very cute pink hearts and it's Valentine's month, so I thought it'll be quite cute. Absolutely swing traded. I promise it'll hit Asia high. You just need to find an entry. What's wrong with them? Solly, they're cute as hell, and it's Feb. It's the month of love. It's the month of love. Oh goodness, well, oh, that's so cute, Donald. Look at you go. What's in? There's the 17,000. Yep. What is it? Oh my gosh, is it me in the glasses? Oh, thank you, Kara. See? Oh, we're going. Is it happening? Is this happening? Oh shoot, this is happening very fast.
That's what she said.
Oh good grief. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, I'm in this. Zone, oh, thank you, I appreciate it. You are wearing the lenses of love. Well now, gosh, maybe that's a good thing I can't see this chaos happening. No. Now go back up. Well, I'm in this. Like I said, maybe it's a good thing I can't see. So it's gonna go bob level to bob level. This might go bob level to bob level. 503 emerald over. Yeah, I'm in. Yes, let's see with the glasses. Nice. To whack. Entry should be at my stop loss in your opinion. You might not be wrong. I was looking at this, which means yeah, I guess entry, but yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Seriously? 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 I'm so happy you made it in. Well, let's see if this now comes and takes me out or not. I did specifically wait for this. Ooh, okay, went nicely into Retrace 50% on ES as well. Okay. Okay. ES and NQ looking similar. Oh dear. But I'm in it, so let's see. It's now hands off. Regardless of what happens. I don't know why I'm singing, but we're going with it. Excuse me, put the other one there. Thank you. That I'm gonna put there. Done, done, and done. I don't know, this feels very ambitious to go all the way for the Asia high. It feels very ambitious. Mudcrab, I know you're aiming for that, but anyways. This might retest lower and take me out regardless, so it's just hands off now. Mudcrab, drop, drop, drop. Why drop, drop, drop? Oh, drop my stop loss. Why? Drop it to where? Oh, I didn't go there when I was typing it. There's your pullback. Yeah, there's my pullback, but out or not. How's it looking on ES? Wanted to start going back up. Now let's see. Drop it a tad. I don't know, then I feel like I'm messing with my strategy. Am I not then messing with my strategy? Hey, ghosty artist, what time frame is this? This is the the 1 minute. Okay, let me put some. Let me have vision again. Let's actually be able to see what's happening. Oh my gosh, look at that! I can see. Okay. You wanna hope for a very quick retest. No, you need to keep and retain your stop. You planned it. No need to go. See? So I'm leaving it alone. If it hits, it hits. If it goes up, it goes up. Either way, it's hands off now. Listen to Musty Crab. Do your thing, but if it hits, that should be a red flag. For homework purposes. For homework purposes. I said that correctly, right? Sorry, my brain malfunctioned there. When was the last time I was wrong? I mean... Interesting. Very interesting. Hope, did I hear that? No? Good grief. I'm gonna be shunned. I'm gonna be so shunned. My bad, my bad, my bad. I asked, why is that, chill dude? What's up? Why do you get scared? What do you get scared of? Maybe let's ask that. I'm still leaving this alone, actually. I'm leaving it. I'm sticking with my strategy. Hands off. If it takes me out, like you said, Solly, then it's a lesson. I was in at the bottom of that Candy Mountain, Charlie. Candy Mountain. Sorry, that's not... Thank you. Thanks for that. That's now going to be stuck in my head. No longer than 2 days. And I still believe... Watermelon Asia High will hit tonight. Let's see. Let's see. Like I said, this could bounce. I'm going to do this. I want it just there. So I can go there, but otherwise... I'm leaving. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's not. Maybe it's Maybelline. Moving on. So, okay. Mudcrab, out of curiosity, but I think it'll bounce before it stops you out anyways, to be fair, but it will go up. So, out of curiosity, right? What makes you so confident that it's going to hit Asia High? I don't, maybe that's a bit of a big question, but What makes you so confident that it's going to hit Asia high? Oh, wait, what's up? I've mitigated the max and still have a lower stop loss. Oh, damn, okay. You could have shorted that, but I didn't want to spam a bias or affect anything you have going. Looking at this, there's nowhere for my entry for a short. To be honest, sorry. I'm scared of losing. Obviously, I get super frustrated, even though usually I'm a calm guy. Oh, don't worry, chill, dude. I get it. I get it. And losing streaks are also a very big thing. I completely understand. But you just have to be willing to... Okay, wait, let's rather say this. If you are scared of losing, have you maybe considered that maybe you're risking too much? Or is it no matter the risk, you still get scared? Let's maybe ask that, right? I love that. But Carl... Okay. I've been trading for 12 years. I mean, that's a valid answer. I will give you that. That is a very valid answer. Oh, here we go. Okay. Asia high is Friday's close on RTH. Oh, that's interesting. That makes sense. Okay, let's see what this does now. Shoot, I think this is gonna hit VWAP on ES before it continues back up. Oh well. Let's see what happens. Action failed high, you saw that. Yep. I did, like I said, I was looking at it maybe going bob level to bob level. And this looks like bob level to bob level is the thing it might be doing. Shoot. But, sorry, the hiccups are back. But that being said, it was still an A+ setup. So it was still hands off. Oh, these hiccups are annoying. I'm so sorry. Okay, they're gone. The political drama just adds extra value to any fair value gap. What? Hey! Is it Loman? What's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. And we'll try to figure this out because the extra people might be getting on board wondering what the plan is with the whole situation. That makes sense. The face is coming down tight to balloon was the best. Yell at it and scare it to turn around and hit your TV, Donald. That's never worked. I've tried to smooth talk it before. It doesn't respect it when I do that at all. Oh no, this is going through all of my confluences. So bye bye. Come on, go back up now. Come on, go back up now. Come on, go back up now. Nope, it's gonna take me out. And... boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. There we go. Okay. So that was a loss, but... sugar honey iced tea. Watch us go back up now. How come am I going along? I'm new. Hey, Silent Owls, what's up? This is just a scare. That's all in the buyers. Find extra value again and throw the compliments off. My crab was right. Hey, why are you saying my crab was right? Bob to Bob, our entries aligned. Interesting. Still juicy. Probably, and it's fine. I stuck to my rules. So it is what it is. So I'm theoretically kind of break even then today. Yeah, I'm theoretically kind of break even today. Let's see. I'll take note of all of these, but I am going to leave this up. Watch this now jump up. Watch it now jump up. It's probably going to jump up. There's too much imbalance on the 50-minute, maybe. I don't know. Another bearish order block formed. Should have lowered your stop. Yes, you did. Thank you. Again, when was the last time I was wrong? I mean, things happen. Okay, let's ask this. Mudcrab, where's your stop loss at? Runs back right after tagging out. That means it's not a good stop loss. That's fair. Let's see if it keeps going then. I think it's gonna keep going until it hits VWAP on ES. That's what I believe. I think it's gonna keep going until it hits VWAP on ES. Or I could be wrong, in which case I should have listened to the higher range that would have been there. Maybe. Again, Mudcrab, where's your stop loss at? Oh, sugar honey. Listen here. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. I will happily say someone's right. Happily. Not always, but I will. 323, 23, 20. Okay, let me move this to 320. Is this where your entry was? Is this correct? 25400. Still stuck at that 25400 level. That 25400 level is pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie. How the damn are you yelling at me? Good grief. Equilibrium. I can, yes. 320. Okay. Not 420. Sorry, I'll stop. I will stop. I will stop being chaotic as I always am. Oh wait. Let's delete that. Let's do this. Take a little screenshot of this. Gotta post this in Discord. Discord. Gotta keep track. Gotta journal. Let's open this again. I did not take a screenshot of this. So let's take this as well. 2 trades today during London. Not bad. One loss, one half win. I guess you could call it a half win. I'll go with a half win. Shoot, was this correct? Let's give it a few more minutes. I want to see if this continues to the sell side. So I still think it might want to tap into ES, into VWAP on ES. Usually I would say you're right, but tonight is different. That's what I've been saying since the beginning of the open. Interesting. Wait, Donald, what did Donald say? Here comes the sailor in you. Wow. Donald, I didn't see that. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. But it's okay. No, let's see if this continues back up. If it was that, it just tagged me out. Mother fluffer. Okay. Should have just used the full range. Should have just used the full range. Oh, shoot, man. I didn't see the imbalance. There was an imbalance. I didn't see the imbalance. But listen to the imbalance. Don't make me say, don't say what? Don't say what? You dropped just... I did drop it slightly. Very slightly. Very slightly, but still. But still. I am... No, I don't think you guys can see, thank heavens. You guys can't see. Simple little tweak. Okay, that's valid. That's valid. I will give you guys that. Lesson learned, right? Like you said, it's never a loss. It's always a lesson, and I will wear my lessons like a crown. Yes, like a crown. What's up, Gwen? How you doing? How goes it? I'm not gonna call you Daddy Crab because Cara might jump through the screen and beat me. Good grief. Cara, are you reading this? Go get the frying pan. Go get the frying pan. It's happening. Wow. Wow, that was a lot. Yeah, this is crazy. This is absolute insanity. But it's okay. Moving on. Oh, this is gonna make me sad. It's okay. Why is she hoping that? Why is she hoping that? Highway 3 land period, roll over institutional test land and open absorption to the high, waiting for later period. I read your name. I think she wants you to join the family. Oh, that makes sense. One of us. One of us. Call him Krabby Daddy. Gosh. Like Krabby Patty. I get it. That's hilarious. Like I said, Donald, you can stay. Because I've been watching a segment on the massive retraction Friday. Oh, interesting. Like Crab, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Lesson learned. My bad. I mean, to be fair, I would still be in the red. Let me place this. If it was the full range, would have been here. So entry would have been here. Stop loss would have been down here at the 378. Let's place this. Okay, I guess it would have been back in the green by now. Damn. Okay. Lesson learned. I get it. I get it. You were correct. My bad. Lesson learned. Last week she said y'all weren't really looking to adopt a baby, but Crab, it's good. Grandpa got crabs. Don't do that, that's bad. Okay, you know what? I'm trying to just satisfy you guys this once by saying it. Yes, what you just said. Yeah. A car calls me in. Why are we buying at 50% level? Hey, Papa Tribe, what do you mean? I always buy at 50% level. Okay, I'm gonna say it once, and then I might call it for the day. Wait, let's see if this starts to go back down. If this starts to go back down, do I still have to say it? Wear the lesson like a crown. You're not a robot. Once you have a Gambox levels, you can look at the price action and tweak the entry stop loss. Like if there's a key gap right underneath stop loss. I feel like I'm being yelled at by Sally. Sorry, Sally. OMG, here we go. What? Wisdom applied knowledge. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Wisdom applied knowledge. Seems was a control collapse, something to do with no supply of silver over demand. Needed to track industry. Watch price. It's going to. If it goes down, don't say it. Minecraft, why do you want me to say it so badly? So badly. Part of me wants to just for the lols. And yes, I just said lols. I'm aware that that is so lame to say. But anyways. It's gonna retest 388. I still think this might be going to Bob level. It's just a shelf retest. Solly, I don't think anyone has the patience to do that, can I just say? Just putting it out there. I don't know if anyone has the patience to sit there and do that. Because, that being said, you could also go through and find a collage of all the time my entry has literally been wicked in. And then TP taken, right? Right? Dude, I'll die if you call. You said, Hey Lucky, what's up? I mean, yes and no. You've come in at such a weird time. It's such a weird time happening right now. Not even gonna lie to you, but anyways. Don't make me do it. It won't work out in your favor. Solly, I love it. You have this competitive spirit of, if you say, like, that is, I must say, it's... Maybe I shouldn't say this. I feel like you guys are going to use it against me. If people dare me to do things, I'm like, watch me. Watch me. It's like my pet peeve for people to say, you're too scared to do it, or whatever it may be. It's like with when I did the gorge swing, and when I did that, people were like, I bet you'll never do that. I'm like, okay. Guess what I'm doing then? It won't go. Hey John, what's up? How you doing? How are you? I do really still like that wisdom is applied knowledge. What's up, John? How goes it? Let's see, how far am I now? 298. Okay, not bad. Like I said, this is technically a bit of a break-even day, which is fine. Which is fine. Here it goes. Ready? Okay, I'm ready, Mudcrab. I'm so ready. Let's see if this does it. For competition, I'm a pattern recognizer, and this has officially become a pattern. Oh! Solly sassy today. Solly sassy today. Just saying. The proper thing is to not ask what happened, but I'm... Oh, so lucky. So I had an A+ setup. I got yelled at for not moving my stop loss. Wicked me out at stop. Retraced a little bit, but it did come back into VWAP. Mudcrab still believes that it's going to go back up, and Mudcrab was saying that I should have listened to him and moved my stop loss further down. So basically I have a lot of I told you so's going on in the comments right now, and everyone yelling at me. On a Monday. Gosh. Everyone woke up from this weekend and chose violence. 1 minute is high. Mud, I'm green for the day. No, I don't I think this may have put me into the red. Did it? This may have put me into the red a little bit. Like I said, this is like a break-even day. West Africa. Hey, what's up? I'm learning to trade with demo account for 2 months now. And how's it going, John? Only me yelling. No, you and Solly. I'm getting sass from all directions. What is it? Daddy Mudcrab. It's just normal Monday activity. Wow. And here comes Lucky with the sass, but yes. Pretty good, John. I'm glad. I'm glad. Good actual grief. What? Did I say it? Solly just listens to me. Whoa, hold on. What are we holding on? Shots fired in Tasmania. What? What's happened? Solly? No sass from me. Are you sure, Lucky? Are you sure? I'll put you on the sassy Molassy list for Monday. Because so far we got Mudcrab, we got Rip, we got David, we got Solly. I feel like I'm missing someone. Donald's been a little bit sassy, but not mean to me, so it's okay. Hey Cash, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Oh shoot, look at the time. Okay, just to... He's talking about you calling me daddy before. Oh, good grief. Oh, I got it. I got it. Thought you missed a bit. I'm sorry. No sass for me. Just checking. Just checking. Rip Mudcrab, you can't outshine the master. This is maybe one new ceiling, then the price should drop. Oh, okay. So Mike thinks this is gonna... Interesting. Let's see where this goes. I have to ban Mudcrab Maya. Since Murphy's got... Did you actually ban Mudcrab? Lies. No, okay. There we go. I don't know why I didn't get... Oh no! Sorry. Another Jack, what's up? Okay, but to be fair, you guys are too funny. I appreciate you guys so much. Just to appease you. I don't want to do it. Daddy Crab, I'll listen to you next time, okay? My bad. My bad. Are you happy now? I love you guys madly. I'm gonna call it. I have to run to the stables. I will be back for the New York session. I will see you guys then. Perry also wants to head out. He's literally staring at me right now. You guys are amazing. A bit of a break-even day. 2 trades, 1 loss and yeah, 1 loss and 1 win and break-even, so it's fine. I love you guys madly. I will see you then later. New York session.